Hi, Dr. Mike McCracken, and I'm here with Megan, and she is 2 weeks out from doing an eyebrow transplant. So, Megan agreed to talk with us just a little bit here. Can you tell us what made you decide to do your eyebrows?
I had plucked them when I was younger, so I had a very Gwen Stefani look going on, and I was just tired of penciling them in every day for work. So I did some research, and I found you online, and gave you a call and set up my appointment to come on in.
Great, great. And tell us the day of the procedure. Tell us your comfort level.
I was extremely comfortable. The atmosphere was really relaxed. I was really at ease and felt totally at home.
Thank you, thank
You're
you.
welcome.
And tell us about your results so far at 2 weeks.
I'm really excited. A lot of the brows are still in place, so I think
Hmm.
they look really wonderful. You were able to achieve a really great effect, nice full brows, and I'm so happy with the results.
Great, and it's only going to get better over time.
Yeah.
All right, well, thank you so much, and thank you.